Hi there, and welcome to today's session. Today we're going to take a look at an amazing feature as a site administrator. So we're in the site administration. We're going to go into users and then scroll down until we get to permissions and define roles. Under define roles, we're going to go into Authenticated User, hit that. And then in the filter, we're going to add participants. And then notice what we get here, view participants in the system. Now we don't want that, so it's not set, which is just fine. And then we're going to go into course participants and notice it's not set, which is fine. Great. Right, so we don't need to save that. We're going to go back into users, and this time when we go into define, we're going to go into participants. So define roles, once again, under permissions, and then participants. Now, if you don't want anybody else to see it, that's fine too. Participant here are actually students, but we've labeled them participants. Notice here, in the system, it's fine, but in the course, it's set to allow. We're going to make it not set, which means that participants cannot see other participants and engage with them from the list. But they can in the discussion forums and so on, but not just go in and in some cases, maybe they don't want to be bothered. So this is to ensure their privacy. Save the changes, because if you don't save the changes, it's not going to show. And now we're done. If you want other roles, such as in my case, moderator, which is a non-editing teacher, not to be able to view the participant list, you can do that as well. So let's try it out and see for ourselves. Notice that I'm in a course right now, and the only thing I can see at the top are course badges and more, but participants no longer appear here as they did before. So that's it. That's how you get rid of participants viewing other participants. If you have any questions, feel free to add them in the comment box below, and happy Moodling.